Is it possible to simultaneously access multiple microphones on an iOS device? No, unfortunately, Apple, if I remember correctly, there is no AV audio session properties uh, to get a separate audio input from the two built-in microphones. You know, every iOS device has two microphones. Um, but if you use a USB audio device on iOS, which has multiple audio inputs, then you will get a separate signal for each. But this way, you know, you need to use an external USB audio device.